just wondering, as the chair of the TTC board, and I support the TTC board on all that good work that they do, but have you as a group gone directly to the Lions Company, which have opened an office in downtown Turangi to talk about these issues before we had a workshop with staff and lots of different bits and pieces at the council level?
We have had numerous contact with the Lions Company. We have had the Lions Company present to the board.
In my office as well, but they
I totally understand the issue.
they're very hard to shift. But at the end of the day, if the Turangi residents are being unfairly penalised because of the way the system's working, then we need to advocate for those people down there. Councillor Minter.
So Gary, look, is there data or information that they're treated any different than any other district? I mean, none of us like paying the power bill, so do we have that sort of information that compared to another district?
Well, the purpose of the workshop would be trying to flesh out some of that. The Lions Company's
that's what I'm saying. Taupo District is going through exactly the same thing, and they've got information that will probably, at a workshop, if we join forces together, the advocation is that much stronger. I mean, they're going through the same.
Okay, we've got to set up meeting dates later on in the agenda today. We will set up a workshop. We'll decide on a time later in the agenda. I think we'll take Councillor Deputy Mayor's advice there about Ruapehu District Council. We will get somebody to get in touch with Ruapehu District Council. We might even want to invite Mayor Sue Morris over, or one of their staff members that's totally up to speed with this, to see if there's a possibility of joining hands, becoming a team, and making the boat go faster. So we will set up a workshop to discuss this and what our possibilities and avenues are that are open to us later in the agenda. All right, anything else coming from those minutes, please?
Nothing.
Okay, seeing nothing, we will now move to a tender contract which is resealing some of the beautiful roads in our district.